everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the tag guns. This set I got, it comes with two tag guns, this blue one and the green one. I'm going to demonstrate this green one. It also comes with two sets of needles, the blue and the green. So the green goes with the green, the blue goes with the blue. Also comes with, I think, 500 to 1000 tags. Also comes with price tags, these. Okay, first we are going to uncover this one, and this needle is already attached to it. You can remove it, but if it's in, you need to secure it in by turning this to lock it in. Look at this, now we cannot remove it. Now to insert the tags, we need to grab one of these. And we want to make sure that this side that has the little edge from here is what's inserted from the top. So you want to insert it from here. Look. Okay, it clicked. Also, you want to make sure like the first tag is aligned with the needle. Now let's give it a try. Let's grab this tag, price tag, and we are going to put it through the hole here. And I have this sweater, and I'm going to tag it on the label here. So all you need to do is pass it, like make a hole here like that, you see? And then you're gonna like, okay, sorry. You're gonna do like this, like a hole. And then you're gonna, and it tagged it. It went through it to the other side. Now we're gonna just cut it. Look at this. Simple and easy. This, you can use it for your garage sales. You can use it for like anything, like if you work from home, if you sell products from home. This is very convenient and it's very, very, very nice. I really like it. It's very nice, and I hope you like it and found it as easy. Thank you for watching.